Now this is where it's gonna get messy. So I need to go get the goggles.
Hi everybody, my name is Rye and today we are going to make experiments using the Boom Kit. It's by Learn and Plan. My experiment is Tick Tock Goes the Clock, which is like one of those like sand timers, but without sand. Let's get started. So I had to add 2 through 4 drops of coloring agent. So let's get started. I have to do it to this test tube instead of the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have to add water to test tube 1 until it's halfway full. Oh, this is the oil. 50%. I'm going to use the beaker. Oh God, I overdid it. Must be. So now we put the top on this one. We don't put the top on the other one. Now this is where it's gonna get messy. So I need to go get the goggles. So we hold these two like this. And then quickly close them. Like that.
And what happens? Why did you do that?
Wow.
What's supposed to happen?
This.
What did you just make?
We made an oilcloth. It looks like a lava lamp. Just a rushing lava lamp. It doesn't look like how I thought it would be. But hey, at least it looks good. And it looks like soda too.